Alright guys, welcome to my third tutorial about how to create fireworks in Firework Simulator. And today I have created a multiple shell firework which I will be loading right now, so you will see what it is. And after that I will be explaining you how to create it. Basically it's really easy, but anyways, have fun. It's kinda laggy when it is loading. Alright, once again with a little closer view. Alright, let's go. So that is the firework, and now I'll be explaining you how to create that. So we're gonna make a new empty firework, and we will get to work. Oh, sorry. Okay, hold on one moment. All right. First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a shell, which will be a 150 millimeter. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make an explosion on 8 seconds. So put on 8 seconds with a explosion energy of 100. Right, so what we now will do is we're gonna add a component stars again and again and again. Well, we will make it 5 stars. Alright, so we will be for this firework which you have seen a couple seconds ago, I have put a 750 number of stars each explosion, so I will put it in 550 for this one. 550, 550, 550, and 550. Alright, so what you're gonna do now is we have the first explosion. We're gonna create a custom color. We're first gonna be adding some green stuff. I think lime green will be great, or it's a good color. The second one will be a red one, because I like red. So the red one. The third one will be a blue one, blue darker. The fourth one will be a purple one up there, and the last one will be white. That will be white. Alright, so if you will launch it right now, you will probably see this. Come on. Oh. That's a multiple color firework, so we will be adding a star, essence star in white. So we will see when it will be exploding. But as you can see, it's going down, down, and fade away, and boom. And that's not basically what we wanted, so I will be let's see, custom. There we go, the launch velocity. So we'll be putting this to I thought 300 meter per second. So it will go straight up, fall a little down, and boom. There we go. If you want to create more colors, you will be adding some more stars and make it for 550 again, and search for another color on pink as well. This looks good. Right, so let's go darker, launch it, and boom, there it is. So this is basically my tutorial about how to create a multiple shell firework. If you have any suggestions to give me something to make, just give me an email or give it in the comments below, and I will be figuring out how to make it, and if it works, and it looks good, I will be creating a video of that and will upload to you guys. Alright, it was the Firework creator, and I will see you next time. Bye.